Hey friends of Barbara Campbell, hello. How's everybody doing? OMG, it's that time of the year. That's it, everybody. Today is the last year of 2018 and it's been wonderful. And I wanted to come on and just say to you all, my followers, friends and family, friends in New York, around the world, Brooklyn, international, thank you, thank you, thank you. Listen, everybody, I'm going into 2019. I know that you're getting ready. All right. I want you to make it count, make it matter. Forget what happened in 2018. Let's start thinking right now, 2019, and what you want to accomplish. Goal setting Monday. And let me tell you, it's about what you want to do. You make it happen. All right, one step at a time, push forward and make things happen. As I like to say, you count, you matter. To then stay in Brooklyn. Thank you for listening and being with me all this year. Oh, I'm so excited for everybody. Many blessings. I don't really have much to say other than this is the last day of the year.
Old acquaintance be forgot and never be forgot. Should old acquaintance be forgot in times of old lang syne.
Happy New Year, everyone. Bye-bye. Signing off. Till then, television host Barbara Campbell coming to you from our Crown Heights Design Studio, taking a personal moment to say Happy New Year. And I love you all. Have an amazing time. Unity is what matters this year. Bye-bye.